Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a little bit of Web3 security. All right, because if you guys are getting more involved in cryptocurrencies and things like that and that nature, you're going to want to have a way to secure your assets. Okay, so I'm going to make this video specifically to protect you against hackers and different things like that. Okay, so yeah, so if you like this video, hit that like button. All right, support the channel. All right. So what is a Ledger Nano? All right, now just in case you're on the fence about whether you should buy a Ledger Nano S or X, I want to explain to you why you need one and what it is. All right, so a Ledger Nano S is a it's really a more like a cheaper version of this one because this is the X. All right, so you get this device. It's like a hardware device. It's got two buttons, and you can program it to have different coins on it. It comes with the phone app. It has a Bluetooth, connection to your phone. So we're going to talk about that. So the Ledger Nano S and the X are both hardware wallets produced by Ledger, a company that specializes in developing security solutions for cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications. Okay, so both devices are designed to securely store and manage your cryptocurrency assets. But there are some key differences between the two. Okay, so one of the main differences between the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X is their size. All right, so you can see right here the Ledger Nano S on the X on the left, and the Ledger Nano S Plus on the right. The price $149 for the X and the $79 for the S. All right, so the size and portability is the difference, and the Ledger Nano S is a smaller, more compact device that can easily carry. You can easily carry it in your pocket or purse, while the Ledger Nano S is large, a little bit larger, and has a built-in battery that can be used on the go. I mean, I'm a guy. The Ledger Nano X is not any bigger than like a thumb drive. It's bigger than a thumb drive by just a hair, whereas the Ledger Nano S is exactly the size of a thumb drive. The X is a slight bit bigger, so I don't know, but they're both small. Okay, so but one is bigger than the other. Another difference between the two devices is their connectivity options. The Ledger Nano S connects to a computer or mobile device using a USB cable, while the Ledger Nano X can be connected wirelessly using Bluetooth. And so this makes the Ledger Nano X more convenient to use, as it can be accessed from a wider range of devices. Now, both the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X support a wide range of cryptocurrency assets that allow users to manage their assets using the Ledger Live software. Okay, so the actual software is a pretty dope software. You can put it on your computer, and once you got that on your computer, you can then manage your finances and just different things like that. You can actually see like all the value in different coins, your NFTs. You can see the different assets classes. If you have different blockchains in there, you got Bitcoin, all the different things you have in there, you can see them in your actual app. There also has partners in there, so you can exchange your coins inside the app. You can also sell coins, and you can also shop. There's things you can buy. You get rewards. They got a debit card. They got all kinds of things that you can do inside this app. So the app is super dope, and you can use that app to manage your funds. This is like an overview of what the app would look like if you had it, with the portfolio, market, accounts, learn, all this stuff on the left here, and then it's got the value and kind of shows you like your amounts of how much the whole portfolio has. And if you can click one of the assets in there to determine which one of these you want to look at, so that you can manage your funds and monitor how much you have in your account. So it's really great for monitoring your assets and keeping up with how much you've paid and had. We also have access to being able to connect this to like a tax service. So when you have to file taxes, you can just hook your ledger up and it'll read everything that's going on in there. Makes it super easy to file your taxes and things like that. All right, so now the Ledger Nano X has more storage capacity than the Ledger Nano S, and it can hold more cryptocurrency assets. So the Ledger Nano X is portable. It's portable, and it connects to the computer and mobile device, like I said, using the Bluetooth. and you can manage this using a secure PIN code. So you'll set up like a 6-digit PIN code that allows you to, or a 4-digit that allows you to get inside the device. And if for whatever reason you you don't have the actual device, you could always get another device and add your codes to it, and no one will ever have access to your device without the PIN number being able to get into the actual device. So it's pretty cool. All right, and if you guys want to grab one of these, I have a link in the description where you can click it and it takes you right here. You'd be helping the channel out as well, because it's one of our affiliate links that we have. And like I said, so Ledger Nano X, what it does is it supports a wide range of cryptocurrency assets. It includes the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. It allows users to manage their assets, and it also has a screen that displays the transaction information that's built into the battery that allows you to be, you can use it on the go wherever you go, so you can always use it. You have to charge it back up and whatnot. So the Ledger Nano S Plus is, like I said, $80 compared to the $149. And so, I mean, if you wanted to pick a different color, they got red, they got the purple Ledger Nano X, which looks pretty cool. They got the blue one of the Ledger Nano S Plus. They got a clear one. I actually have a clear one of the Ledger Nano S. I also have a Ledger Nano X. I'm getting ready to get a Ledger Stacks too. So, I mean, I have like multiple of these. I would suggest getting these while, before everyone else starts buying them, because if they ever run out of these, it'll be pretty difficult to secure your funds. So I would definitely grab one as soon as possible. And especially like multiple ones for your family members as well. Even if they don't need it yet, I would grab a few and just have them on deck in case you end up needing them. Because if these ever have a shortage, then it's going to be all bad, because it's going to be hard to protect your money if you can't store it on one of these devices. All right, guys, so I'm going to leave a link in the description to the review that I wrote on zeroxstrategic.com, and you guys can check that out there, and also have another link to a full review video about it. I'm going to leave that as well, so you guys can check that out as well. But anyway, I hope this video was informative and helps you determine, if you're going to grab one, which one you're going to get, and you have more information that'll help you going forward. All right, so hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Peace.